Hello, how to raise healthy organic chickens without drugs. Natural poultry farming secret every farmer needs to know. Stop spending money on unnecessary poultry drugs. Today, I will show you how two common plants around your home, Moringa and Turmeric, can help you raise stronger, healthier, and fast-growing chickens naturally. Are you a poultry farmer and you love this particular topic? You have been spending money on some medication that doesn't work at all. Give this video a thumb up right away. And after watching this video, please share this video to reach more poultry farmers. I'm going to be very fast in this video. It's a tutorial, and make sure you follow it step by step till the end. Don't skip any track at all so that you will not miss out from this lecture. And from now till the end of this month, we are treating those our organic, I promised you last year, 999 organic plant that is helpful to poultry farmers. What if you could raise stronger, healthier chickens without spending a fortune on drugs and antibiotics? Today, I'm sharing with you two most powerful natural poultry health secrets used by many successful organic farmers. A simple combination of Moringa and Turmeric, either the leaves or the plant, will help you. These two plants are packed with nutrient and natural compounds that can help boost immunity, improve growth, and support digestion, and keep your birds healthier naturally, always. Let's see how they work. Why Moringa and Turmeric? Now, Moringa leaves. Remember that Moringa is a very powerful plant. It has high protein also. It can serve as protein source to poultry feed. Moringa is often the miracle tree. It contains protein, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, contains calcium, iron, potassium, essential amino acids, and antioxidants. What are the benefits in poultry? They boost immunity, improve weight gain, enhances egg production, and improve feather quality, at the same time support overall health of your poultry and livestock animals. Turmeric contains a powerful compound called curcumin, which also contains antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, natural antimicrobial agent, vitamins and minerals. Benefit to poultry: strengthens immunity, improves digestion, support liver health, reduces inflammations, and at the same time help birds recover from stress. Are your birds traveling from long distance? These plants can help you to calm them on arrival. Use the juice and calm them instead of spending money on glucose and others. These two plants can help to calm the stress of your poultry based on transport or vaccine stress, any of them. Health conditions they help support in poultry. Why they are not replacements for veterinary treatment? Moringa and Turmeric are commonly used to support birds affected by 1. Mild respiratory problems, 2. Digestive disorders, 3. Stress and heat stress, 4. Reduced appetite if they're not eating well. Any of the domestic animals, livestock, feathered and four-legged, any of them. Weak immune system. They may also help improve recovery after illness and support resistance to common infections in poultry and livestock. How to prepare the mix of this particular? Gather the two of them, wash them thoroughly. Fresh, if you're plucking, get the fresh ones, because the fresh ones can easily squeeze juice out of them. Fresh Moringa leaves, fresh turmeric roots, or turmeric powder, anyone. Please, if you're going for turmeric powder, be careful. Most of the turmeric powder you see in the market are not pure turmeric. So it's better you get the turmeric roots itself than the rhizomes than the powder, because most of them now are adulterated. Get the rhizomes itself. That's the one that looks like ginger. Use them instead of using the powder, please. Then with clean water. How do you prepare it? Wash the Moringa leaves thoroughly. Grind or blend them or pound them with mortar. Just one handful like this. Pound them with water and add fresh water, clean water, so that to help to squeeze out the juice. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. That turmeric powder is Either you get the original turmeric, grind it into powder format. The 1 full teaspoon of it is okay. Mix with 1 liter of clean water. Filter it if necessary. If you don't want to filter it, you can still boil it. Your natural poultry tonic is ready. If you boil it, allow it to get cold. Any of them, your natural tonic is ready. Poultry natural tonic is ready. Dosage: drinking water method. Add 1 liter of prepared solution for every 10 to 15 birds. You know you have 1 liter already. You have to add extra water on it. Now, feed dry moringa leaves and grind into powder. Add 1 to 2% moringa powder to feed. Add 5 to 10 grams turmeric powder per kilogram of feed and serve to your poultry and livestock animals. Always provide clean drinking water alongside with the treatment. What are the important things? Tips: use fresh ingredients whenever possible. Do not overdose turmeric, please. Maintain good hygiene and biosecurity measures in your farm. Ensure proper ventilation in the poultry house. Always provide balanced nutrition for best results. The fact that you're giving them turmeric or turmeric solution or tonic does not mean you don't need to give them food. No, give them adequate feed that is good for them. Healthy chickens do not always require expensive drugs. No. Sometimes nature provides powerful solutions right around us environment. By combining this nutrient-rich moringa leaves with immune-boosting turmeric, you as a poultry farmer can support stronger immunity, better growth for your poultry and livestock animals, high profit that will amaze your competitors. You don't need to spend too much. You get the best results from your farm. Thank you for watching this video. It will enhance the digestion of your poultry feed. Once they eat it, the feed is digested and they absorb it, and at the same time give you that benefit either in egg or in flesh. If it is egg, their egg color the egg yolk will be pure yellow. You see the original color of your egg yolk. The eggshell will be strong. Even most of the times the egg fall, it will not crack because it will be strengthened. Please, if you find these poultry tips useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow farmers around you, around their platforms and others. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next poultry farming tutorial video loading very soon. Till then, bye.